Good morning, everybody. Well, the Hubs is out playing golf this morning, so I am doing something that I have been intending to do for several days, and that's make makeup remover. Now, I don't buy makeup remover. I've had this recipe for quite a while, and I just make my own. And it's simple, and it's all natural. So I think if you try this, you're going to be pleasantly surprised. So let me tell you what you're going to need for this makeup remover. You will need witch hazel, and this is Dickinson's 100% natural witch hazel. You will need coconut oil, and this is 100% extra virgin coconut oil. This one is made by Shea Moisture. You will need olive oil. Now, whether you used extra virgin olive oil or not does not make any difference. And you will need vitamin E oil. This is Sundown with no GMOs. And of course you're going to need a container in order to mix all of this together. And I use these little Pyrex dishes because they have a lid. So if you have some cute little dish you want to use, then that will work just fine as long as you have a lid. I do suggest that because you just don't want it sitting out open. Now let's put all of our ingredients together, and you're going to start with 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil. It doesn't have to be exact, but I suggest getting it close because you want this to be able to mix together properly. And so I just drop this in. Now, coconut oil is so wonderful for your cuticles. I love it. All of these ingredients are moisture driven. The witch hazel, however, of course, has more of a drying ingredient to it, but I love coconut oil. It is wonderful. It is perfect for moisturizing your entire body. You can't go wrong, and it's natural. So we have our 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I love using all of these natural ingredients. So good for your skin. The witch hazel. One tablespoon of witch hazel. See how the cuticles look so much better. I love that. Work it into your skin. This color that I have on my nails is an OPI color, and it is Lisbon Wants Portugal. And it's been around for a long time. As a matter of fact, it's one of the OPI colors that I believe has been discontinued. I may be wrong, but I'm having trouble finding it. But I did find it on Amazon. So keep looking. If you can't find it, somebody out there has it. Now we're going to add the vitamin E oil. We're going to add 6 drops. If you are afraid that you are allergic to any of these ingredients, do a test on your arm. On the inside of your arm, just say if you're worried about vitamin E. You've never used vitamin E oil before and you're concerned, take a dab and put it on the inside of your arm for maybe a ½ an hour and see if it turns pink. And if it doesn't, then you know it's fine. And the same with any of these other ingredients. And I have to do, I've already done everything. That's all 4 ingredients. So this is great. And then we're just going to mix it together. We have our coconut oil, we have our olive oil, our witch hazel, and our vitamin E. And just mix that together. So then you see that it becomes this potion of wonderful natural ingredients to use on your skin. See? Love it. You're going to thank me for this little recipe, especially if you have dry skin. And right now we all want to try to get our skin looking great for spring and summer. So this is one of those little secrets that I use. I even use it on my legs if you want your skin to look really smooth. You know when you put suntan lotion on and just look really bronzy looking? Well, most of that is from an oil. Now all of the ingredients you find in this are just perfect for your skin. We've combined all of these wonderful ingredients, the coconut oil and the olive oil, which is great for moisturizing, and then witch hazel, which is perfect for anti-inflammatory issues with your skin. If you happen to have blotchy skin, witch hazel is the answer for that. And then of course the vitamin E oil, which has been used for years to correct skin problems. Women have used this for ages on stretch marks. So give that a try and use them separately. But when you put them all together, they make the best makeup remover. And it doesn't take much to remove your makeup. So just take a cotton ball, dab it in, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup remover, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, tap the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye.